Mr. Ed here. Today is the 20th of August, 2016. And yeah, I guess you can guess what I'm getting ready to do. The grass in the field here is really high, and I have to do a job that I'm really not looking forward to. I need to cut around the bee boxes. I'm going to give you a shot of what those bee boxes look like. Check this out. You can see the field. They cut the field last week, and when they cut the field, they kind of like stay away from the bee boxes. And if you can tell that the grass is as high as the entrance is, that one, it's actually covering the entrance. Barely see the entrance. And on these, it's not bad on these, but it's still high. And so I'm going to go ahead and make a few passes on the outside. I throw the grass away from the hive, not to the hive. And so it's probably going to take me 4 or 5 passes, but it's gonna be an adventure with watching these guys come out. So with the blessings of God, I won't get hit too many times this morning, and we'll get this grass cut and move over to the next field. Let's cut some grass. Well, thankfully that went really good. So now I'm gonna grab the weed eater and cut around him too. Hopefully that won't stir him up too much either. Well, that wasn't too bad. I thought the bees were going to be a lot worse when I passed the lawnmower, but they weren't too bad. I think I got stung 2 or 3 times when I was around those with the weed eater. The weed eater is definitely worse because I got to stay there close. But it's still cleaned up good, so I'm going to move over to the next couple of fields. I got a lot more to do, so I'm going to close it off with this one. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching, and I'll be making more. And God bless, Mr. Ed. I'm out of here.